Hello, welcome to Someka. Today we are gonna explain how to use Commercial Invoices Excel template and how we can convert your data in PDF format into this Excel template. So we are in a technology-driven generation which is moving towards increased reliance on the internet each day. Most of the companies are making transactions in the electronic form, and one such activity following the trend of electronic medium is PDF. So it is very common that you receive lots of invoices in PDF format needs to be recorded to your internal system, but it becomes very overwhelming if it is scan or snapshot, and requires manual entry of all the information by your hand. In this video, you will meet Able2Extract PDF solutions. This great tool is a PDF converter software to save your time and money without manually typing the PDF data to various formats. Let's see how it works. For doing this, let's see how we can use Commercial Invoice Generator to record all your invoices and create new one just within a few minutes. Basically, this tool consists of three main sections: Invoice Generator, Product or Service Database, Invoice Records and Tracking. And the template flow is pretty easy. Input your product or service information in the database, create your invoices in the Generator section, and analyze your past invoices in the Record section. Once you have recorded your products here in the Product Database section, all relevant info will appear automatically according to the data in Database section. Let's say in your company, you have an invoice in PDF format and you want to transfer all this data from this file to your Commercial Invoice Generator template. Now, all you have to do is inputting this information to the database section of the template. And that is when Able2Extract comes in, and let's see how you can use this great tool. And here is the starting point is the file menu. After clicking on it, you can see the range of the choices offered within the software. But also, in order to open the document that needs conversion, you can just click on Open. In this screencast, we will choose one of the commercial invoices as the document format. As you can see, the navigation pane of the left makes sifting through PDFs more manageable if your file consists of more than one page. Here on the toolbar, you will be able to choose the content area you need to convert, and it makes converting PDF to Excel easier. For our documents, let's select all the area. Here on the top, toolbar provides one-click access to common functions and instant conversion to popular formats like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, OpenOffice, and the images. We are going to select Excel here, and you can handle both automatic and the custom conversions, giving you more control over the conversion process. We are going to select the custom option, which lets you adjust the column and row structure. Able2Extract is a PDF converter that will manually erase the columns by clicking on them. If you have second thoughts about them or make a mistake, don't worry, you can always add them back by clicking on the area. Row structure as well. With a few clicks, you can add and remove the rows as needed in the same easy manner. Just click on rows you want to delete it or add rows by clicking them. And the best part is that all your changes can be viewed in the real-time preview panel, so you know just exactly how your invoice will look like in Excel. Now click on Convert this latest version, and yes, the invoice is in Excel format now. Let's move this information to our Commercial Invoice Generator now. Below, you can select your product or service items from the drop-downs. When you click rows, you will see all your products here. Let's select our products, and as you can see, there extra information like units, unit price, and net price appear on my invoice instantly. On the other hand, you will be able to record this invoice to your database with this button to be able to make analysis and create reports later on with this data. And again, you can easily export the document as a PDF. Let's say you want to add a signature to this document. And again, we are gonna use Able2Extract to insert electronic and a digital signature in just a few clicks. Here is the result. And to be able to add a PDF content, you can easily click the Edit on the common toolbar, so you can see the Able2Extract Editing side panel here. For example, you can add text to your page, or select the font style of your text, and specify the size of the font. And lastly, one of the great features of this tool, reducing some information for permanently deleting any sensitive information from the PDF. Here also, you can digitally add sticky notes, links, stamps, highlights, underlines, squiggly lines, attachments, and watermarks. And that's all. If you are using Commercial Invoice Generator Excel template to prepare your commercial invoices frequently, this Able2Extract tool may be perfect fit for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates from Someka website. And if you want to get this great tool, you can check Able2Extract PDF Solutions website. Thank you.